Wind chimes Feng Shui, how to choose wind chimes. Talking about wind chimes, it's imperative to know about the different aspect like the material, number of rods, and direction in which it is to be placed to yield positive fruitful results. The gentle tickling sound emanating from the wind chimes meanders in the space with positive energy and gets soaked in the space, thereby attracting happiness and prosperity. Though opted more as decorative piece but is a vital part of Feng Shui concept. Beautifully crafted wind chimes amalgamated with Feng Shui elements welcomes good luck to your abode. Each wind chime has a different sound that is different personality and performs differently. So let's juggle the various aspects before bringing in a beautiful wind chime for your space. Materials and direction to consider. Metal wind chimes. Among so many types, perhaps metal wind chimes are most preferred one. Owing to the serene tinkling sound produced by the metal rods, they are common in every household. Metal wind chimes placed in the northwest direction enhances the number of helpful people and also safeguards travel and tours. Secondly, metal wind chimes in west direction enhance creativity of all type and also bring in children's well-being. Bamboo or wood wind chime. Bamboo or wooden wind chimes have their own story and sound to speak. When placed in the east direction, it brings good luck to the family and also promotes good health. A bamboo or wooden wind chime in southeast attracts wealth for the residents. Ceramic wind chimes. Ceramic wind chimes favor good luck when placed in the southwest, center, and northeast zone. Ceramic wind chimes don't sound melodious but looks quite beautiful and elegant. Number of rods to select. Number plays a vital role in keep the energy flowing and incorporating positive vibrations. In Feng Shui as well, the number of rod in a wind chime determines its effects on the all-round well-being of the residents. Get a wind chime having 3-3 or multiple of 3-6-9 rods to attract wealth, accomplishment and attainment in life. Four rods symbolize a strong foundation and establishes security. 5 rods depicts all 5 elements and represents dynamic change in a positive way. Seven is the number of knowledge. A 7-rod wind chime helps deepen knowledge and expand the learning horizon. 8 symbolizes all positivity in life like growth, success and ongoing abundance. Wind chimes in Feng Shui activate stagnant energy. The sound of chimes makes the space, be it house, office, garden etc., auspicious by warding off harmful energy. Perhaps wind chimes are the most opted Feng Shui cures as it has all potency to attract happiness and prosperity for you and your family. So, bring in a wind chime for your abode and let the sound of good luck keep flowing in.